Hello everyone, my name is Srijit and with me my teammate Mayur Komne is there. Our project topic is face mask and body temperature detection. So let's get into it. So this is the design for face mask detection. In this, we are loading the face mask dataset and training those face mask classifier with TensorFlow. Then we are saving those classifier on the disk. After that, we are loading those classifier from the disk and applying the classifier to faces to determine whether the face mask is there or not, and detecting the faces from those video stream and sending the data to Raspberry Pi for further processing. Now, this is the design for temperature sensor. In this, temperature sensor device will detect the human body temperature and send them to Raspberry Pi for further processing. This is the overall design of our project. In this, face mask detection will happen and data will be sent for further processing. After that, temperature detection will happen and data will be sent for further processing. If mask is on and temperature is below threshold, if both of those conditions turn out to be true, then a green LED light will be turned on and door will be opened. If either of those two conditions turns out to be false, then red LED light will turn on and an email will be triggered to concerned admin with the image of a person and his body temperature will be sent. So this is the hardware that we have used in this project. We have used laptop's camera, Raspberry Pi, temperature sensor, buzzer, screen, and LED lights. So these are the programming environments that we have used. We have used Python 3. We have used some open source frameworks like TensorFlow, Google Colab, and these are the links from where we have used our data sets. So here you can see the hardware setup that we have done in this project. You can see there are breadboards, temperature sensor is there, how we have made connections with the Raspberry Pi, so how the LED is on that breadboard. In this image, you can see how we have made connections of a door with the Raspberry Pi. Next is like live demonstration of our project. So let's see that.
Hi, so I'm Mayur, and let's get to the demo part. Before getting to the demo, I'd like to show you my system setup. So this is the laptop camera we are using for the demo. All the code for the mask detection will be run on this system. This is a contactless thermal sensor using which will sense the temperature. We are using Raspberry Pi for this processing. Whatever will the output will be shown on the screen, and according to that, this is our door that will be open. Now let's get to the working part. So there are some test cases which I like to run first. So first one is I'm wearing a mask and my temperature is normal. So given that, it will open the door. So first I will wear the mask. So I'll run the face mask detection program. As you can see, I'm wearing a mask and detecting that. So this information will be sent to the Raspberry Pi. Now I'll run the temperature program on my Raspberry Pi. So I'm taking my temperature here. As you can see that my temperature was normal, the result will be displayed on the screen and door is open. So as my temperature was 22.93 below like threshold, and I was wearing mask, so the door was open and it's closed again after some time.
So second test case is without face mask and normal body temperature. So let's test it. So it's showing without mask. Now let's take body temperature. As you can see, it's showing a red light and the message is stop. So door won't be opened, but the email is will be get triggered to the admin saying that there was a person uh, who is without mask, and it will show his temperature and his image. As you can see that we have received an email alert which shows that there was person in the premises who was without mask, and you can see his image as well.
So the third test case is with wearing a mask and high body temperature. So Let's take the face mask first. As you can see, I'm wearing a mask, so this data will be sent to the Raspberry Pi for the further. And now we'll take the temperature. As you can see, it's above threshold, that is 38.21, so it won't open the door, and simultaneously an email alert will be sent to the admin. So we have received an email alert from the system, and as it is showing the temperature is above the threshold and the picture of the particular person. So this concludes our demo for the project. Thank you.